Ford F-150 9704 Heritage fuel tank strap replacement. As you can see here, one is a different length. Notate that, and we'll get to that later. Okay. Here's what happened with one of mine. The rust got the better part of it, and I noticed my fuel tank kind of slunk down on me here. And the tank is larger in the back, and therefore it's going to take the larger strap in the back. So here's the front where the smaller strap goes. The thing I'm going to do though is I'm going to support the bottom of the fuel tank before I take any of the mounting straps off. Alright, I do have a jack supporting the bottom of the fuel tank. And as you can see here, I did pump up a little bit because you know how the tank fell down. I needed to raise it back up in preparation for installing the non-broken strap. And you can clearly see how this one broke. And don't be like me, get a block of wood to go between the jack head and this just to protect it so it's not metal-to-metal contact. These fuel tank straps supposedly vary depending on wheelbases. If it's four-wheel drive, I recommend going on Rock Auto and making sure you get the right part number. I'll get that later. Alright, I'm going to start with the bigger one. Coming underneath the truck here, here's the gas tank. Zoom out, please. On the other side of the gas tank, on the strap, there's a 13mm bolt holding the strap on this side. And then on the other side, it just kind of goes into a divot. You'll have to rotate and pop the strap out. And I recommend doing the straps one at a time. That way your jack's not supporting the whole tank. You need to have one strap on. Anyway, like I said, this one is the shorter one. This one's the longer one. The one in the back here. So I said I'm going to start on the long one, but I'm closer to the short one. So I'm going to go ahead and blast this 13mm bolt out. If this video gets 50,000 likes, I'll go ahead and put new rocker panels and cab corners on this thing. There's no way it's going to get 50,000 likes. I needed an extension program here for this front one. If this bolt was a pain in the butt to get out, or the threads are stripped out, make sure you get a new J-nut up here. If that needs to be replaced, just slide it out of the left of the frame there. You pry it first with a screwdriver, and then you can take that out. Just kind of tilt that out of there on that side. Figure out which one's the same size. It's going to be the shorter one here, so yeah, that way. That'll work. That'll bend into place there. Swap the rubber over. Don't break it. Okay. Put it on a new one. There we go. It should pop on all the way around. There you go. Now this side's ready to go on. Go ahead and tilt it in there first. 45-degree angle. And then that goes in. Just play with it a little bit, and there she is. And you can sort of see where the strap was before. Just try to get it in the same spot. With your third hand, go ahead and bend this up there and start that bolt. Do make sure that the strap stays about where it should be. Make sure it's flush up here with the frame rail there. These are aftermarket. These are Dorman tank straps, so it's not exactly a perfect fit, and it's kind of rubbing the tank right there. I'm going to have to get a little pry bar and pull out on it a little bit because there's a gap on this side. So yeah, I should have got Motorcraft straps, but it is what it is. All right, let's go ahead and get this rear one taken off here. All right. Get this out of here. There we go. Oh my goodness. One-handed. There's the carnage. Holy cow. That is a clean break. My goodness. Junk. Just doing the same thing on this strap here that I did on the last one. I will say, make sure you get all the dust, rust, and bird crap out of this rubber piece before you put it on. It's plastic, not rubber. It wouldn't hurt to put some never sees on these threads here. But without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and put this on. right. That one is doing the same thing. I need to just give it a gentle pry that way because there's a gap over here and it's rubbing right here. You can sort of see it. It's like it's twisted. I might be able to loosen this and kind of twist it back possibly, but other than that, guys, that's it. That's all there is to it. Get this jack out of the way and you're good to go. Go on a road test, make sure that the tank doesn't fall out. If the tank fell out on you guys and it's all scuffed up on the bottom or there's holes in it, don't use it. Don't weld on it. Don't do any of that. All right, have a great day. That's not a dent, that's just grease. Why? That's a wave.